Anyway, another day, another Temu haul. I literally have zero clue what's in this. So, we're gonna see. And hopefully, none of it's broken! Just because it echoes doesn't mean I was yelling. Oh, first thing. Keycaps. It was $10. They're not even for me. Okay, I'm not opening this. But literally, I just got plain keycaps, and they were like $11.99 because we decided that we were gonna make our own. Or Emily decided that she was gonna make her own 3 years ago and has not done them yet. So I fast forwarded. Oh, this is also Emily's. Wow, if you guys did not see in one of the previous videos, I actually got straws. And Emily really wanted this straw, which is a heart. It's not really that long for a straw. Is it yours?
Yeah, you can go for it.
I just want to see. Yeah, it's like shorter than an average straw. But yeah, you know, it's cute. It's a lot better quality than the other ones we got. Where are they? Because those I could snap in half. This is cute. Honestly, I probably should have got one myself. And it's actually like pink, like the rose gold instead of the copper. So, not bad. I know what I got. Helen, I got one of these for you too. Wait.
Me?
Yeah. Okay, let me take everything out of the box. Give me a sec. Okay, so if you guys have seen Touchline hand sanitizers, meet the dupe version, and they're smaller because I'm going to be doing an entire video on stuff that I take to work and when I travel. And I decided that I was going to buy Touchlands, but they're $14 a fucking piece. So I got the dupes. I did get them in 5 colors, and they're like the actual Touchland, and then this is just a silicone case. But these were like $1 a piece. And the normal Touchland's $14.99. So I have a lot of Bath & Body Works hand sanitizers that smell really good, but the containers are ugly. So we're going to put them into these. But I got a few of them. I got a lot of colors. Got white. And I got this bright red. I got a pink one. What? Okay. I have an audience today. Very important audience. Yeah. Anyway. Got a really nice pink one. For Aiden, we got a green one. Because how can I ever buy anything without giving it to... That does not look green. This looks like my color. Give me a second. I might keep this for myself, actually. And, of course... You want it? Do you want that one? Do you want the green one? Yeah. If you couldn't tell, our audience includes a baby. I got a black one. I don't know what this is. It says black, which I mean, it's black. What did I buy? Okay.
Is that a bra?
Is this a bra?
Wait.
This is about to be a really... Oh, it might be the support thingy. Wait. Yeah, it's a back supporter.
Oh.
Okay, let's try this. Let's see. I don't even think...
Like
it looks
posture
so...
corrector?
Yeah. Though this is... I don't even think this is going to be the right size. Even though I got it in XL. Oh, yeah, bro. I got it literally a size up.
Probably Asian sizes.
This is a no. You want this? You want this? This will fit you. Anyway.
Another baby as well.
If it had a bigger size, I would have got it. This is the largest size they carried. It's supposed to be a posture corrector. I'll put a picture up, but no. I guess we're not fixing my back this year. Rated current 220 out of 380. There's a battery in this. What is this? I want to buy those battery powered. It feels weird. I don't even know. Wait.
Looks like a bar holder.
Oh. LED lights.
Nice.
They're LEDs.
They're small LEDs.
They're really small. They were super cheap, so I'm like, let me get some new LEDs for my room. Yeah, I agree. I should have got the other ones. Oh, okay, so I got more makeup because if you guys watched any of my makeup videos, these are the products that I really like. It was the eyeshadow pencils and the lipsticks, so I bought 2 more of each because I wasn't joking when I said I was going to buy all of the shades.
Just salty though.
I don't think you can have that. And I don't think children, I don't think you can have KFC at this age.
If you say so, you can have a shrimp, but you can't have
Okay. I think this is shade number 1.
Look at a Red Lobster.
He's like, Aiden, only go to Red Lobster. That's what, don't go to Cheesecake Factory. If any of you like Cheesecake Factory, burn in hell. I'm not even gonna joke.
Half of her subscribers.
Listen, Cheesecake Factory is not it. It's not worth the pricing.
Cheesecake Factory comment back. Like,
Oh my god. Unless they'll sponsor me, then that's, I love them. I eat them 24/7. I will lick the floor off of Cheesecake Factory. I don't know. Anyway, I got 2 of them, and I got shade 4 and
you want a sip?
1.
I mean, I can give you a little sip, but I don't think you know how to use a straw.
He still doesn't.
This is gonna be the most chaotic video I've ever had. It's gonna be so funny. Okay, anyway.
Ooh, what are those?
The little, remember the pencils? I got the other shades.
That's so beautiful.
I know, because I just gotta swipe this on and walk out. That's all I've been doing. And they're so cute. So I got shade 3. And then I got shade 4. You guys remember I got shade 11 in my video, So these are those 2 shades right there. And I do absolutely love these. So these are the only shades I really thought that I would like, so I got them. But now that I'm looking at this one, it's very pink. You agree? You agree? Uh-huh. It's kind of pink. Let's try this one. Oh, no. You want this one?
I'll try.
You're a lot lighter than I am. I feel like if I was ever so slightly, it's cute. Just not for me. She tried it on.
This is a no.
Yeah. Even with a lighter skin shade, it's just not it. So shade number, what was that? Number 4, not for everyone. Number 3, I'm not even gonna try. I'm lazy. Okay. Yeah. And then I got another eyeliner because I got the moon last time, so I had to get the star. Even though I don't know what I'm gonna do with the like pencil side, I'm just gonna. This is another brand. This is a whole nother brand. Damn, I thought I used the same link, but clearly I didn't. Looks like this was another brand, and hopefully it's just as good. Damn. Okay. Oh, ooh, it's kind of watery compared to the other one, but it does have the same kind of like tip, so I'm not too worried. Oh, yep, that shit's watery. It's okay.
Maybe
I got it for the stamp. I got it for the stamp. I really just got it because I wanted a star, so that's fine. And I got a dress. Because who thinks of dresses when you think of Temu, right? On today's episode of This is the most... This is so short! Oh my god, this was supposed to be like a really long dress.
It's got a giant slit too.
Yeah, the slit I saw.
Baby does not approve.
There you go. Did you see that? Also, this feels like... You know the smocks in like elementary school?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what it feels like. Maybe clothes on Temu is not a thing yet. Stick to Shein. Please.
Girl, it was not that deep.
It was open on the... I thought it was like just blank. Okay. I got... Oh my god, you know those... You know the little rollers we used to have on elementary when you would sit on it and then you push each other off?
Yeah.
That's the plastic this feels like. But, so I got this, right? And it's basically... Is it broken?
The math ain't mathin'.
The math really ain't mathin' though. Like... So I'm really dumb, because like...
Oh, you just slide it in the
You just slide it in. You want it? I'm gonna give it to you. Give me a sec. So basically, this is a foot stand. It's for when you're at your desk. So this is for when you're at your desk and it's like at an angle and you put your feet on it. But if you put it upside down, it's a rocker for people with ADHD. Yeah, so instead of like shaking your foot when you're working, you can just rock your feet. So this was $20. Honestly, I was gonna say for $20, it was really nice quality, but if you put it together properly, probably better quality. So, as always, Temu's sticking around. We do have another full makeup haul coming in soon. The baby will not be included. He might be included. Who knows? But But anyway, if you guys have any comments or any of these, let me know down below. As always, stick around if you would like to be a friend, because I clearly have great friends. Come be part of the audience.
We hate you.
Well, I'm not a friend. I'm a sister.
So she has to hate you.
Right.
And remember, I am not a professional. I'm just